Good afternoon, shopkeepers. We're going to be putting a right front wheel bearing hub and a CV shaft in this 1997 GMC 3500. It is a four-wheel drive, obviously, and it is a diesel, which really don't make any difference unless you like to roll coal. Then it makes a difference. But anyhow, bringing you up to speed, I just pulled the caliper bolts out and laid the caliper up there on top of the upper control arm where it's nice and cozy. It's laying up there sleeping right there beside the light. You just need a 3/8 Allen wrench or socket to take the two caliper bolts out. There's the two caliper bolts. Pull that out, and because I've got the oil line unhooked because I'm doing a little bit of a repair there, I just dropped the outer tie rod in so I could move the spindle back and forth, because you have to get 4 bolts out. 2 of them go right in there, and then you swivel the spindle and the other 2 bolts go right there. They were a little bit tight. Takes a 15mm swivel socket or a wrench, but you take them out, and my spindle nut for the axle is pretty tight and I can't get it, so I'm going to do what I have to do anyway. And I took these nuts off of this extension. This is on a dually. Took those 8 nuts off. I believe these bolts are splined through the bearing, through the rotor, and into this extension housing. So they did not turn. They didn't even try to turn when I was taking those nuts off. But anyway, that makes it so I can get this housing off, this extension housing, and then I can get some heat on that nut and get that spindle nut off.